there's a lot of people in our community that depend on the Social Security benefits. There's a lot of individuals that never thought that they would be on Social Security at the age that they had to go on Social Security. So, Mike, when they're disabled in an accident, let's just take the accident from the father that was, involved in the auto crash on our email question earlier. Assuming that he is permanently disabled and he can't go back to work and he has an impairment rating, he doesn't have, he's obviously not what is this, is it 62 or is it, give me the Social Security age here, Mike. What's the first?
Well, for people at my age, it's 66.
Okay.
For people younger than me, it's 67. It goes up to 67 now. And I'm eligible for disability.
So 66
No,
is the age that you can start getting Social Security. So assume someone's not 66, assuming that this father's 50. What kind of benefits is he looking at? How is it calculated? How is the award determined? Kind of go into detail with that for us.
Yeah, what they do is they're going to go through an expectation. If you've ever gotten your Social Security letter from the mail saying that when you turn 67, or here's how much you'd get. They kind of extrapolate that. They figure out what you've made in the past. They have a formula for figuring that out. And then they say, well, if you make the same amount of money that you made last year until the time that you get to full retirement age, X amount of dollars is what you would receive in your benefit. Now, when you are awarded benefits under the Disability Insurance Benefits Program, they go through that process, extrapolate 100% of your Social Security benefit, and then that's how much you would get if you were found disabled, and that would be your monthly payment.
So let me throw you a curveball here that people think all the time, like the question in the email question earlier was, do I need an attorney? If I'm paying all these benefits and they're holding it out of my check, and the government's going to take care of me one day, and they're going to pay this, why do I need an attorney to advocate for me? And there you go, right?
Here's where I get to plug myself.
Okay, yeah. Do it.
just like with a car accident, really what you're hiring a personal injury attorney to do more than anything else is to work with an insurance company. Insurance companies basically their business model is to take your money and not pay claims. They try to do that. The government now is just like an insurance company. They're reticent to pay the claims. And to make matters worse, the government. So now you got problems with government and you got problems that you have an insurance company. So I spend my time going through the rules, explaining to the Social Security Administration at different junctures what rules should apply that my clients should get their benefits. Also, I go through the medical records and before a hearing in great detail. And then I explain to the judge, both written and orally during the hearing, exactly what medical problems you have, why these are keeping you from working. I pinpoint them in the record, and then I explain the rule that I think that the case is based on.